Hi, this is Eric with Avalanche Cleaning. I am cleaning out a pretty congested dryer vent. So check this out. This is a system where they don't even allow these anymore. It goes up through the wall and does a 90 and exits out the side of the house. Check out how much stuff is coming out of here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm using something called a ram air system. It's a air line that blows everything out through a compressor. This is an incredible amount, and you can see I've already blown out quite a bit on the ground there. This is definitely a fire hazard. Thanks for watching.